How to use apple cider vinegar to burn belly fat. Apple cider vinegar is often touted as a natural remedy for various health issues, including weight loss. While it may have some potential benefits, it's important to note that no single food or ingredient can specifically target belly fat. However, incorporating apple cider vinegar into a healthy lifestyle may support weight loss efforts overall. Here are a few ways you can use apple cider vinegar. 1. Dilute it. Apple cider vinegar is highly acidic, so it's crucial to dilute it before consumption. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with a glass of water or herbal tea. 2. Drink it before meals. Consuming apple cider vinegar before meals may help control appetite and reduce calorie intake. Start with a small amount and gradually increase the dosage if tolerated well. 3. Use it in dressings. Apple cider vinegar can be used as a flavorful addition to homemade salad dressings. Combine it with olive oil, lemon juice, herbs, and spices to create a healthy dressing for your salads. 4. Consider timing. Some people prefer consuming apple cider vinegar in the morning on an empty stomach, while others find it beneficial before meals. Experiment with different timings to see what works best for you. 5. Be consistent. Apple cider vinegar is not a quick fix. To see any potential benefits, it's important to be consistent and incorporate it into a long-term healthy lifestyle, which includes a balanced diet and regular exercise. 6. Be cautious. Apple cider vinegar may interact with certain medications or have adverse effects on tooth enamel. It's advisable to consult your healthcare provider, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Remember, while apple cider vinegar may have some potential health benefits, it's essential to approach weight loss holistically. Focus on maintaining a balanced diet, engaging in regular physical activity, managing stress, and getting enough sleep for overall well-being.